Over 3 years ago, Apple took their AirPods lineup to an entire new level, releasing a product that some consider to be the very best headphones you can buy. AirPods Max exist so you can experience your audio the way producers intended. But 3 years on, is that the case? Are these headphones still worth it? And more importantly, where are AirPods Max 2? Let's start off with the design. The sleek colour combined with high quality materials like stainless steel and anodized aluminium gives the headphones a sophisticated and timeless appearance. The premium build extends to the breathable knit mesh canopy and memory foam ear cushions, contributing to an overall luxurious feel. Apple's focus on comfort is evident in the memory foam ear cups that provide a secure and plush fit, ensuring extended listening sessions are fatigue-free. The stainless steel headband, equipped with a telescoping arm mechanism, allows users to easily adjust the length for a personalised and comfortable fit. The attention to detail is demonstrated by the seamless integration of controls with the digital crown on one of the ear cups, providing an intuitive way to manage volume, playback and calls. The space black AirPods Max also showcase Apple's commitment to minimalism. The absence of visible screws or joints, coupled with the clean lines and precision in construction, exemplifies the brand's classic design philosophy. The minimalist approach not only enhances the headphones' aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to their functionality, reflecting Apple's dedication to delivering a harmonious blend of form and function in their products. Durability has been a main focus for me with these headphones, and I have been pleasantly surprised, particularly considering my initial concerns about the knit mesh canopy. The combination of a stainless steel frame and aluminium ear cups has proven to be robust, handling the daily wear and tear without any notable issues. Despite the seemingly delicate nature of the mesh canopy, it has held up well over time. In terms of my own personal usage, I started off using a third-party enclosed case for added protection, but eventually I transitioned to simply throwing the headphones into my bag within Apple's smart case. Surprisingly, this more casual approach hasn't led to any noticeable durability issues. The smart case, designed by Apple for transport and storage, appears to provide sufficient protection, contributing to the overall longevity of the headphones. The sound quality of the AirPods Max continues to be highly praised even 3 years after their release, positioning them as formidable competitors in the premium headphones market. Apple's dedication to delivering a top-notch audio experience is evident in the design and technology integrated into AirPods Max. The headphones feature custom-designed dynamic drivers that deliver rich, detailed audio across a wide range of frequencies. The implementation of adaptive EQ is noteworthy as it adjusts the sound in real time based on the fit and seal of the ear cushions, ensuring an optimal listening experience. This adaptive technology allows AirPods Max to consistently deliver a balanced sound profile tailored to the individual user. Furthermore, active noise cancellation technology enhances the overall audio experience by effectively blocking external noise, providing an immersive and undisturbed listening environment. The combination of high-quality materials, advanced audio engineering, and effective noise cancellation contributes to AirPods Max's ability to compete with some of the very best headphones on the market, even years after their initial release. The spatial audio feature, which provides a three-dimensional audio experience, adds another dimension to the overall sound quality. Whether users are enjoying music, movies, or other forms of media, AirPods Max consistently deliver a high-fidelity audio experience that stands out in its class. While newer models may have entered the market since the AirPods Max's debut, their continued recognition for exceptional sound quality reaffirms their status as a reliable and high-performing choice for audiophiles and music enthusiasts. The longevity of their competitive edge in sound quality shows just how good these headphones really are. AirPods Max are by no means perfect. There are several downsides which hold them back and may be addressed in future generations. Firstly, there's the smart case provided by Apple. While it's designed to help conserve battery life by putting the headphones in an ultra-low power state, its design leaves a portion of the AirPods Max exposed. This has been a bit of a concern for me, as I'd prefer a fully enclosed case for better protection. Given the premium price tag attached to the AirPods Max, a more robust case would make a lot more sense. The second downside, and one that has lingered over time, is the price. When I first purchased these headphones, the initial cost didn't bother me much because of the top tier features. However, 3 years later, with technology constantly advancing, the fact that the price has barely changed can be a bit frustrating. These downsides, particularly the case design and the persistent high price, are points to consider, and they may influence how potential buyers weigh the overall value of the current generation AirPods Max. If you are someone who's been eyeing these headphones despite these downsides, now may not be the best time to make the purchase due to the rumoured release of a second generation late in 2024. The potential upgrades, such as the inclusion of USB-C, Bluetooth 5.3 and new colour options, might not seem groundbreaking individually, but collectively they could enhance the overall user experience. The inclusion of USB-C in the AirPods Max 2 would mark a shift from the Lightning connector. USB-C is known for faster data transfer and charging capabilities. This change would not only provide a more universal and versatile connection, but also enhance the overall experience by enabling quicker charging times and compatibility with a broader range of devices. Upgrading to Bluetooth 5.3 would likely bring improvements in connection stability and energy efficiency, which in turn could enhance the reliability of the wireless connection, reduce latency, and potentially contribute to a better overall audio quality. And finally, while the introduction of new colours might be more of an aesthetic upgrade, it does add a layer of personalisation and style to the AirPods Max 2. The availability of new colour options will mean people easily make the distinction between new and old, which is something Apple likes to do a lot. With all of this in mind, while the current model is undoubtedly impressive, knowing that a newer version might be around the corner makes it seem like the wrong time to make any kind of purchase. Waiting for the next generation could ensure that you get the latest technology and possibly a more competitive offering for a similar price. Over the past 3 years, AirPods Max have established themselves as a premium pair of headphones, offering exceptional sound quality, top-notch build materials, and advanced features like adaptive EQ and active noise cancellation. The durability of the device, including the initial questionable breathable knit mesh canopy, has proven to be surprisingly robust. However, with rumours circulating about the imminent release of AirPods Max 2, you may want to consider holding off on your purchase. The speculated features, including USB-C, Bluetooth 5.3 and the introduction of new colours, may not be revolutionary, but could collectively enhance the overall experience. If you're in no rush to buy and you can afford to wait, holding off for AirPods Max 2 could offer a more future-proof investment, ensuring you get the latest technology and potentially a more refined product for a similar price. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit that thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content like this coming soon. Thanks for watching, And as always, I'll see you in the next video.